Welcome back, loves. Today I am excited to do a quick unboxing with you guys. Just added a little something to my collection. I think you might be able to guess what it is, but I figured it'd be fun to open it here with you guys and get your thoughts.
Inside your bedroom, we stopped counting the days left.
Okay, so I have a much needed iced coffee here. Officially have a 2-month-old as of Tuesday, which is crazy. I don't even know how time is flying so quickly. But I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys. I added this item to my collection and I figured I'd unbox it with you guys. Still fully packaged. I did check it for any imperfections or defectiveness, but I'm excited to open it and actually start using it. So as you can tell, this is a Prada unboxing. In one of my last videos, I had talked about just like a bunch of bags that I'm loving right now, and one of them was raffia. So I opted to get the Prada small shopping tote. I believe that's what it's called. Let me see, is there a tag here? Here we go. Yep, it is the raffia shopping in the size small, and the color is natural. And in my last video, I had talked about how I wanted to add a raffia tote. Fully aware that it's a very trendy bag. It's very summer, like weather specific, and I just have been so drawn to Prada recently. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just like the colors, and maybe I'm just dying for it to be like fully summer here, or maybe I'm dying to go on vacation. But I saw this tote and I originally really liked the one everyone kind of has, which is the skinnier shopping tote that is like you put over your shoulder and it hangs down. I'll try to insert a photo here. It was one of them that I had shown on my last video of bags I love. And it came in a bunch of colors now. So now it comes not only in just this color or black or white, but also comes in pink. And I think in maybe patterned colors, but also comes in a really beautiful green. And I just love that bag. But for me, realistically, I knew I wanted to carry more. And I already have like bigger bags that I would carry for like beach totes and things like that. So this I thought was a cool option where it is actually quite large in that it holds a lot for it being just a kind of like grab and go top handle bag and a mini tote. Really, it's a mini tote. I also thought it was very unique in that in some of the smaller options that Prada has right now, they aren't completely see-through, and I thought it'd be nice to kind of have like pops of color showing through and any of my like cute SLGs popping out, and just for summer and like being by a beach, just having it shake out and not having like sand stay in there or anything like that. And so very lightweight bag. It is more structured on the bottom, I would say. It has like more tight weaving on the sides and the bottom. But yeah, this is not a structured bag. It came with all of this stuffing, so I'll probably store it with this stuffing. But I don't know, guys, I just thought it was such a cute bag. This one currently retails on the Prada website for $17.70, I believe. You can find some of these on like other websites. I think Farfetch carries Prada. I'm probably butchering this, but either My Teresa or Net-a-Porter, and you can probably find some discount codes if you catch them at the right time. But I just thought it was a bag that I really wanted to add to my collection. I thought, you know, instead of having to scrunch around and try to put as little as possible in my little mini bags, like this bag is small but holds a ton. and I figured I would show you guys like what fits in it and play around with it today and do some mod shots for you guys. But yeah, this is it. And I think I had mentioned too, like I had been holding out to find the Louis Vuitton By the Pool. I believe it was By the Pool collection, but it was the raffia with the monogram, and I just figured maybe they'd come out with another like type of version of that bag, and they never did. I kind of lost hope that they ever will. They've done other raffia bags, but not that exact style. You guys know I have the on-the-go pillow tote from the ski collection, which is a newer release from the one they did last year, and I was just hoping they might do something like that. But I just felt like I wanted a raffia tote. I wasn't gonna miss out, and for the price point, yes, it is a raffia bag, not leather, not canvas, so I am paying a premium, but I just thought it was so cute and just like the perfect little summer item to add to my collection. I already like know how I want to style it, and I'm just excited to have it. So let's go ahead and see what fits in this bag. Okay, so first off, before I start putting all of my things in this bag, I thought it would be cool to show you guys how it stands by itself. There's actually nothing in the bag right now. I'm trying to tilt my camera so you guys can see, and it just sits by itself, which is something that these skinnier bags don't do just because they're meant to be long and worn on the shoulder. But I thought it was kind of cool that it sits by itself. All right, hopefully I didn't ruin that camera angle for you guys. Okay, but I brought a bunch of stuff. This is stuff that I actually carry like day to day in my bags. But I figured I'd quickly show you guys, and I'll do much more of an in-depth review on this bag at a later time once I start getting use out of it. But I brought some items. I think it's important to show how big it is. So I actually brought my iPad. This is the iPad mini. The Mini 6, I believe, is the model that it is, and it just has this case from Amazon, and boom, I actually can plop it in sideways. Actually, I think my agenda might fit in here. I'll grab that in a second. And then I also carry my 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton. Go-to, love this. All my keys are on there. I also have my key pouch from Louis Vuitton. I have all my cards and cash in here. This has been my tried and true recently. Just fun to grab and carry. Super skinny. Toss it right in there. I also have my Prada sunglasses. These are the classic Prada sunglasses. Yes, I gave in and bought them. I freaking love them. They are so fun. Love these sunglasses. But the Prada sunglass case that comes with it is not functional. It's like a box, and it's not gonna work for me. So I buy these sunglass cases, these pouches, from Target. It's from the brand A New Day. I think it's a Target brand. I have this in different colors, and it's just a faux leather pouch, and it just pops open, and I toss my sunglasses in there, and it's just an easier way than a lot of the cases that come with these glasses that I buy. Oh my gosh, is this totally crooked? Oh my gosh, I can't tell. This is what I get for taking time off from YouTube. Okay, sorry. I figured I'd grab my agenda while I was fixing the camera. Hopefully that wasn't too terrible. So sunglasses, and then I also carry obviously my phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. This is a case from Casetify. Put it in there, and then I also always carry a little hairbrush. This is from, it's a wet brush from Wet. I don't know if that's the company name, but it's just a mini one. You can find these on Amazon at Target. Always keep one of those with me, and then car key fob goes in here. So far that is probably all I would carry. Obviously, if I was taking this to the beach, I would carry sunblock, sunscreen, maybe a hat, just essentials right now. But as you can see, it's a floppy, super roomy bag. It could fit a ton more. I did want to see if my Agenda GM could fit in here. Obviously my MM could, but I thought it'd be cool to just test it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, it is closed, and it does fit in there. So it fits in there horizontally. That's in there, and then let me just turn it up. You know, if you're ever going to the pool or beach and want to do work, because that happens, right? Oh, it actually fits in there vertically. Obviously it's coming out the bottom a little bit, but yeah, it does fit. If you really needed to carry an Agenda with you, you could, and that is the large one. And then let's put everything back in. Watch this bag break because I'm filling it to its max. Boom, that is literally everything in there. And that's it. I don't know if it's gonna stand on its own because it's got so much in there, but yeah, there we go. It is sitting on its own. And let's do some mod shots. So let me take out this planner because I probably wouldn't carry all of that in there, and this iPad, but just having my essentials in there. This is how it sits on me. I am 5'3" and between a size like 2 and 4 in clothes. So this is how it looks on me right now. And I probably would carry it like this. I do not think it'll fit on the shoulder. Let's see. I guess like if you're not really, I'm wearing like a sweatshirt right now, and the fact that it sits on my shoulder is pretty cool. But I'd probably carry it like this. It is so light, and a bag that I truly will not baby. It is raffia. If it gets ruined, it gets ruined, but I just thought it was a fun bag. So cute. Okay guys, that's it. What do we think? Super trendy, but I think raffia is a classic. I can see myself having this bag for a long time. Super easy to pack in a suitcase if you're gonna just bring something with you to like a beach vacation. But I think it is adorable, and I really wanted to add something from the Prada Raffia collection to my collection this year, and I grabbed it. I do think the price point is decent. I mean, it's not the most expensive, it's not the least expensive bag, but I really, really like it. And you know, having the ability to fit a ton was important to me, and I did want it to have the see-throughness of that original shopping tote, but be a little bit more functional for me. So this is what I went with. So let me know your guys' thoughts. If you have this bag, not this exact one, if you have an older version, let me know how it's wearing over time. I've never owned a raffia bag before, so this is new for me. And send me any messages on Instagram at @decoranddesigner. Would love to hear your thoughts on it. But until next time, love you guys. Bye.